everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Channel. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. To all my subscribers, thank you so much guys for amazing support. And if you are new, you are welcome. Please don't hesitate to press the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you don't miss anything that I'm going to upload next on this channel. The late gospel artist Sfiso Ncwane, known with his song Ulungile Baba, is back again on the spotlight. After his passing, many things came to light, leaving Ncwane, his wife, devastated. The first thing she learned was that her husband had a child with Nonku Williams, and that information was revealed on the reality show The Real Housewives of Durban. As she was still digesting that, another child from another mother came to picture and told Isolezo Langomgqibelo that she is also Sfiso Ncwane's daughter. She also sings gospel, guys, and she claims she was inspired by her father Sfiso Ncwane. As usual, social media have mixed emotions. Some believe her story and some are wondering why they didn't come when their father was still alive. But guys, they didn't know he was going to die. We don't know if she is really Sfiso Ncwane's daughter or not. Please check a picture and share your opinion. If ubu Ayanda Ncwane ubuzokwenza njani ngalezi ingane zomyeni ezilokhu ziqhamukile. Leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.